Just brushed my hair. I'm really tired. I'm gonna make my coffee. Slept well. My skin is doing a little bit better thanks to this. I think when I put this on, it helps. And this, I guess, like the combination. I'm gonna have my little coffee and I'm gonna work a little bit. So it's my little lunch break. I want to go downstairs to grab a little lunch because I didn't eat yet. I want to get like a proper big coffee. If the drugstore is really close to the hotel, I might pop in for a few minutes just to get a few things. But yeah, I'm kind of regretting that my trip is kind of short. The room is not available anymore for tomorrow, so I keep refreshing, hoping that maybe it will. Like if somebody cancels, so you know, but we'll see. Because I feel like I didn't book for long enough. Like 2 nights. What am I doing with 2 nights? Girl, seeing this outfit, I think I wore it in my last vlog, from Aritzia. So yeah, this is my little workout set for today. I'm back in the room. I am dying. I started my period yesterday and it's the weirdest thing. Sometimes I get my periods late, and when I do, it's like I have the worst cramps that go with it. It's like because it was late, it's like really bad. I try not to take Advils or Tylenols most of the time, but like right now I cannot. Also, this juice, I've been really liking like green juice recently. There's the brand I really like called Loop. I had a few this past week. I saw this one is like double the price. This is so sweet. It has 100 calories. What the hell? I didn't see that before buying it. The other one, it has 40 calories. I don't drink my calories usually, so this, no. It has 25 carbs, like 19 grams of sugar. Like, why do I need so much sugar in this? 1 gram of fiber? Like, what is the point? I don't know. It's way too sweet. I would not buy this again. Like, yeah, I finished it because I bought it. But way too sweet. I like my green juices to taste celery-ishy and lemony and kale-y, and you know. This was not it. This tasted like apple juice. I'm not a child. I got a little latte made with oat milk, which I heard oat milk is not good. Like, it's so complicated. Living is so complicated. I'm finally gonna leave. It's like 5. When I'm on my period, I tend to get really annoyed. So I'm annoyed right now. I just want to leave. Anyways, so I'm leaving now. No makeup. Just going to Shoppers to get my little makeup. There's a few things that I want to get from the drugstore. Okay, so I went to Shoppers and got 2 things. I wanted the glosses from Loreal and they were sold out of all the shadings. So I'm walking to a different Shoppers. So hopefully it's not too far. I don't think it is. I'm at the restaurant and this is what I look like, but I was too hungry. This is my food. It looks amazing. Good morning, guys. Hello. I had to go downstairs, so that's how I dressed, because I thought I could order room service. Turns out you can't, and I just wanted to eat anyways. So, you know, my hair's looking like that. Basically, I got some food for breakfast. We have a nice little coffee. So again, I'm working this morning. Let's open this. I think it would be good. So my go-to breakfast would be eggs usually, but I love like an avocado toast with like some smoked salmon, so that's what I got. But then the peppers, they smell really strong. Oh, and then it comes with a salad. It's not really a breakfast, but you know. All right. I got a little latte with some oat milk. It's not necessarily like super strong, so I'm gonna do a little shot here. And I'm gonna add it. Oh no, I think that one was good. I just put it in before going down. How do I get it back? Okay, I got it back. I didn't tell you, but I ended up adding an extra night to my stay, so I'm staying one more night here. So anyways, I'm gonna work and I'm gonna eat my food, and then later we're gonna film some more because I feel like I didn't get to film everything that I wanted to film. So I'm sorry if this is not super exciting for you. It was just like a little chill little thing, you know? Yeah. So I filmed a little video. You know, it's my last day, so I needed to really focus. And yes, I'm gonna go down because basically I added another night, so I need to go and reactivate my keys. I need to buy some tampons, and I'm gonna buy another gloss from Loreal if they have a different color. Today we're just gonna keep on filming. So I'm really sorry I didn't take you on the walk. I didn't think I was gonna be gone for this long, but I ended up leaving for like 2 hours almost. Oh my gosh. I had to buy some tampons, and of course they don't give you a bag, so it's like everybody knows now. And I bought chips. So I ended up going for my little walk. I saw the CN Tower. I took videos. Anyways, I posted them on Instagram. And then I was walking. I didn't really know where I was going. And then I saw this little bagel place, and I was like, okay, let me grab a bagel because I love smoked salmon. So I was like, this is gonna be my dinner for tonight. So I ate it downstairs in the lobby because then after I had to step out again to go to the drugstore. That's what I did. And I'm gonna film my little videos again. Yeah, it's 6. I go to bed too late tonight because I really did last night. So okay, I'm gonna open it with you. I think this is gonna be, so I didn't buy it yesterday, but I didn't know if they were going to be like super pigmented or not. Personally, I prefer glosses that are not super pigmented. So when I saw yesterday that the one that I got was like a nice sheer, then I was like, okay, this is going to be such a pretty color if it's sheer. Hopefully it's sheer. These feel extremely comfortable. Of course, I had like the red today. As you guys, I'm kind of tired, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm gonna give my parents a call, let them know that I'm alive and stuff, and I will be back to film. 10:25. I finished filming my makeup tutorial. Now, I brought myself a small bag because a small bag is fine. Usually I don't eat chips at home, but I was like, I know after filming, I'm gonna want a little sweet treat. Salty treat. Now need to remove my makeup, clean up. I'll clean up tomorrow because I'm leaving tomorrow. So this is what we're working with. I left my little Octobuddy stains on the mirror. Yay. So anyways, I'm gonna go to bed because I'm exhausted. Or if you're wondering, the little nightie is from La Vie en Rose. Hello guys, so we're getting ready. I can't really move my lips. I have on this Sacheu lip stain. Anyways, I'm filming a little TikTok on it. I got ready. I was able to get a late checkout, so we're gonna be checking out in about 30 minutes. I'm getting ready. I cleaned up the room. I'm almost packed. So yeah, feeling kind of tired this morning, but also not that bad. It could be worse. So I'm getting ready. I'm gonna go do a little bit of shopping, I guess. So I don't know if I told you, but I booked the train. You know, when I came here, I came in a shuttle, and not a good idea. I mean, not really a good idea. Not that it was not it was fine. I thought I booked a bus. It was fine. It was just it took 6 hours, a very long time. The train is going to take 3 hours and 40 minutes. The trash is here. My bag is mostly packed, so we're doing pretty good. I've shown you my outfit. I put on my coat. Okay, wait, that's the outfit. I'm not wearing a workout outfit. Like, I wanted to try this out. It honestly looks like I'm going to work. Like, what is this? I'm commuting to work, even worse. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and like wear pants and like wide leg pants, you know. These are the Thesis that I showed you in my last haul. Forget the shoes. Like, the shoes, I love these shoes. They're the New Balance. I really like these shoes. Like, they're really comfortable to walk around in, but usually I wear these shoes with my workout little outfits, and you know, it looks fine because it's meant to be worn like this. But what is this? I don't know. But I mean, I think this is a cute outfit. Like the neckline is really not really work appropriate, especially usually I like to, like if I'm wearing a balconette bra, I like to show the top. But I was in a funk where I didn't know how to dress for like a normal day. I either know how to wear activewear or like a cute dress or a cute skirt, but I don't know how to do an in-between, so I needed that. I feel like this is a great in-between, right? But I feel like I'm going to work, but the top is not necessarily like, I think there's deodorant. I mean, this neckline, I don't really know, but you know what I mean? I needed, with different shoes, this outfit would be so much cuter, you know, with like some cute little boots or something. But because I'm gonna be walking around, that's what I'm gonna do. The outfit, everything is from Aritzia. This is called the Cala top. It's very comfortable. I really like it. It was on sale up until recently. I think they still have a few. I saw it actually in Toronto. And then the pants are also the Thesis pants, which I did get on sale, but they're regular, part of their regular line. So they have an elastic, but they still look like trousers, you know? So look at me, trousers. So yeah, so off we go, guys. Let me close the mirror. I loved my little stay. So we're not forgetting anything. And then I'm gonna go to Aritzia, then I'm gonna leave this with them for a couple of hours. And all right, okay, let me go down because this weighs a body and a half. I feel so dumb because I was right next to Queen Street yesterday when I came on my walk. Like I went the other way instead of this way, and here there's a bunch of cute little stores, and now I need to be at the train in like 2 hours. I mean, my train leaves in 2 hours, so but anyways, it's all right. I'm gonna walk here for like an hour. But yeah, I feel so dumb. Like this little place was like last time when I went to the mall, it was so hectic. I could have came here, but also it's freezing and some stores are closed. So but yeah, Queen Street for like some cute little shopping, and I've been here before, so I don't know why I didn't think of this. Okay, it's cute, but it's freaking freezing. I walked to Sephora. I'm at the Wells, I think. This is it. It's like a cute little outdoor mall, I guess, in a way. I don't know. It's currently 2:22. My train is at 3:30. I need to go back to the hotel. Anyways, I'm all timed. I got the brush. I got the Mario. I got the brush. Why I got the wrong one last time? Because it was at a different spot on the display. It was like on its own. Kind of reminds me of like the Brickell City Center, but not. My little trip is done, and you know what? I don't really off. You know, with some different shoes. This would be cute. I don't know. I'm gonna go grab my luggage. Okay, I made it. To see mon vlog pour YouTube. We stopped to get some pho. Say hi. First okay. Okay. Anyways.